Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Strongest Engine Easter Egg Hunt. VH Mini on the end of the track will create an Easter egg. Starting things off, Stafford, this is Dennis. Oh, what could I see here? Oh, they're Thomas the Tank Engine stickers. I could build it all together. Next up, Stephen, this is Dart. Whoa, it's a good job I stand it up. What can I see here? String? How can we put this all together? Toby versus Duke. Oh, so I've got string? Oh dear. So I'm gonna have to tie this. Finish up. Snowy Gordon versus Paint Splattered Thomas. So what have I got here? A party hat. So how am I going to tie this then? Right, so here I stick this sticker on. Yes, it's good. Nice and good. And soon the last thing we'll need is stuff to put inside it. Ready for the Easter egg hunt. Finish up, Stafford versus Stephen. Oh, so from now on I just have to tie this string on. Oh, couldn't quite get it on. I ripped some string off, but it's a good job I've got this string on. Stephen goes on to the finals. Who will he face? Snowy Gordon or Duke? Right, so the thing is I need to do now, I just need to cut this long string off. Yes! I got it! Final round, Snowy Gordon versus Stephen. Oh, looks like it's all done now. Snowy Gordon is the winner.